how long about did it take to reach profitability? Do you know?
Yeah, I mean, from a cash flow perspective, right? Because you have to look at it differently. Profitability versus cash flow positive, right? Because profitability can be reached a lot earlier when you've got loans, right? Because I did a whole retool. We got a loan from the equipment manufacturer. So profitability we can reach pretty quickly. It took us a good year to be cash flow positive. We were profitable much sooner than that, but we had a large equipment loan that we had to pay off. So ultimately, I mean, it's cash flow is the only thing that's important. And it took us a good year before we were cash flow positive. We were profitable after month 6.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you. I appreciate you sharing that, because I mean, I think that's a question that people have a lot, especially if they're taking over. If you've seen the videos on the free laundromats and stuff like that. And, yes, you can get a space, for free, but it's not going to be free, right? Like it takes time to ramp up, and you got to have some capital, or at least access to some capital, in most situations there.
Yeah. And more than you think, right? I mean, we didn't think it was going to take, 4 months, right? And now my second one, we're doing a renovation on the one I just acquired in December. And that contractor is saying that 2 to 3 months easily on that one. So I'm thinking, wow, I may be shut down for 3-4 months on that one. You've got to have the capital to be able to get in there. The alternative is you buy a turnkey laundromat. You're going to pay a premium for it, but you're not going to have to, worry about these types of things, right? You're just going to pay more upfront. You're going to pay one way or another. You're going to pay for that nice turnkey laundromat, or you're going to buy something like I did that needed a hefty investment. And that investment is just not a one-time. It was month after month until we actually started to see, the customer growth that created sustainability.